Lesson 7, The American Revolution, Section 4, A Pep Talk and Surprise Victories. A Pep Talk and Surprise Victories. By the end of 1776, the British also thought the war was just about over. General Howe offered to pardon all rebels who signed a statement promising to remain in peaceful obedience to the king. Thousands took him up on his offer. The crisis. Washington knew he had to do something, quickly. Gathering his last troops together, he read to them from Thomas Paine's new pamphlet, The Crisis. These are the times that try men's souls. The summer soldier and the sunshine patriot will, in this crisis, shrink from the service of their country. But he that stands it now deserves the love and thanks of man and woman. Next, Washington outlined a daring plan to attack Haitian troops who were camped for the winter in Trenton, New Jersey. Heartened by Thomas Paine's words, his men did not shrink from the service of their country. Victory in Trenton. Late on December 25, 1776, Washington's army crossed the ice-choked Delaware River in small boats. On the New Jersey shore, Washington gave his men the password for the long nighttime march ahead: victory or death. As the American troops made their way toward Trenton, a driving snow chilled them to the bone, and ice and rocks cut through their worn-out shoes. One officer reported to Washington that the troops' guns were too wet to fire. "Use the bayonets," the general replied. "The town must be taken." When the Americans reached Trenton, they found the Haitians happily sleeping off their Christmas feast. Caught completely by surprise, the mercenaries surrendered, and Washington took 868 prisoners without losing even a single man. A week later, the Americans captured another 300 British troops at Princeton, New Jersey. These defeats convinced Howe that it would take more than capturing New York City and issuing pardons to win the war. News of Washington's victories electrified patriots. A few days ago, they had given up their cause for lost, wrote an unhappy loyalist. Their late successes have turned the scale, and they are all liberty mad again. The game was not yet up.